Hi everyone, thank you for watching. So today I have a unboxing, or I shall say unbagging of stuff from Rainbow Shops. So this is a clothing, accessory, shoe store. I ordered online even though there are two locations, one near my work and one near my house, but I find shopping in store, they cram so many items in the store that I don't know, I have a hard time. It's like sensory overload a little bit for me in being able to have room to like look at the clothing on the rack. Also, the store near my house, the fitting room, has a 3-item limit. So I tend to try and bring a lot in at a time when I normally go shopping because I hate trying things on in the store. But with that limit, I figured let me order online. I wanted to look for some clothing, shoes, some new items for this summer. And I found some things I like. So I'm going to take a look, see what I sent. I got a few pairs of shoes, I think a dress, a top, and a bathing suit. So just a mini little haul, but I will show you these, show you the items on, and let you know what I think. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. I should have showed you this way. So it is from Rainbow Shops, so rainbowshops.com. I actually took advantage. It was free shipping over $75. So I ordered on June 9th, and I want to say it said like 3 to 7 days. I'll double check online and I'll post it here on the description box. I got an email the following day that the item shipped, so I was so excited, and then I didn't get them until today, and today is Wednesday the 15th. So I don't know what happened. It wasn't coming from far, and it was in Pennsylvania at the same FedEx location for days. So I don't really know, but the items are finally here. So I have the packing slip here, so I can reference the pricing. This is also the return slip as well. So I'll put that on the side. All right, I'm just gonna dig in here. So first item I have is a pair of shoes. It is by the brand Rouge. I like they put a little band around it so that, ooh, okay, so these I thought were really cute on the website. They smell a little plasticky right now, but it is a beautiful nude slip-on shoe. It has some clear plastic here on the 2 straps, and a smaller heel, square front toe. What I do like off initially looking at it is there's a pillow cushion here. So like, you know, when you arch your foot in a heel, sometimes it hurts after standing for too long, so maybe that extra cushion will help. These said $22.99 on the bottom. I got them in my size 6.5, and the description of these are double band high heel in nude patent, and I got them for $10. So my thought for these were with a pair of jeans going out to dinner, but also I have a lot of weddings going on this summer, so I thought that a nude like this, depending on, because I don't really know what I'm gonna wear yet for them, I thought this could go with anything and was like a good neutral, and the square toe is really in right now. So those first reaction, very cute. Mostly what I got are shoes, because I go through shoes. For some reason my winter shoes last forever, and summer and springtime shoes like sandals, everything like that, I go through them so quickly. I don't know that I lift my feet enough when I walk, and the front, like where the toe is, usually starts to scuff or peel or whatnot, so I always end up getting new shoes. Okay, next I got this one-piece bathing suit. So it is strapless, and it comes with a string so that there's hooks here. You can do like the halter neck. There are some cups built in here, which is nice. They are removable. They have the little hole here. The fabric is really soft, typical bathing suit material, but it doesn't feel really thin. So at first reaction is good. Now I got a large in this. I am expecting, and I'm starting to show a little bit like a mini baby bump, a little self-conscious over it, but for the summer months, we're in June by now, I still have to go, you know, the whole summer, and a lot of the bathing suits I have right now I'm not going to be wearing. So I was looking to get something neutral black. I felt like this would be like a comfort zone if it fits. But everything right now is a thong bathing suit bottom that I've been finding, and I am not comfortable wearing that in general. I'm not trying to, I don't know, I'm just not that confident, especially if I'm with my family or parents or something. I don't know, I just think that's weird for me. So I went with the large thinking, okay, I can grow. And I wouldn't normally get a large, I would normally get a medium or a small depending on the cut. But I've got it more so for like coverage in the back. So I'll try this on and we'll see how it works. That was just a solid one-piece bathing suit, and it was $10.99. Here I have the one-piece bathing suit. I have it tied here with just a little sarong that I already had, and the slides with the gold buckle. I would probably wear it with the string attachment as a halter just for the security, because I'm going to be wanting to pull it up like this the whole time. But as far as fit, it's pretty comfortable. You probably could even wear it as like a bodysuit. The coverage on the back is good, so I feel like I would be comfortable in wearing this with a family beach day, or you know, whatever the case is. I would give this a thumbs up, but wear it with the halter attachment. Okay, next up we have a pair of sandals. I don't know what these are called. They're by that same brand, Rouge. Oh, how cute. In person, so cute. So these are just a quick slide, a little slide for the summer. It has this faux leather white wideband strap and some gold buckle detailing. A thin bottom. They have a good weight to them. They're not heavy, but they're not really, really light. So it's like a good durable material. These I got in my size 6.5. And let's see, the tag on there says $16.99, but it doesn't say that that's the ticketed price here. Metallic detail slide sandal, that's probably what that is. And they were normally $12.99 and I got them for $10. So I thought these would be cute with a summer dress, some shorts, a top, going out shopping, even to work. My job, you're okay with wearing open-toed shoes, so I figured these could work, and I don't have anything white and black, and I love the gold detail. Okay, next up we have a little dress. So I've been really into wearing dresses lately. I just find that they're not so confining, and a lot of the normal styles aren't really tight to the stomach. Ugh, this smells. I know that my smells are really sensitive right now, but this smells like the dye. If you ever get a pair of jeans and they smell very strong. This we have here, it's called the Smocked Denim Dress. It's in the dark wash. It has the fitted upper bodice area here. It's that stretch material, and a cute little flutter sleeve. It's more of like a square neckline. I'm sure I'll see when I try it on, you may be able to pull it and be off the shoulder, which is kind of like the look I've been liking right now. But what I liked about this, it has a ruffle at the bottom. And otherwise, it looked like it was gonna be loose flowing, like once it's fitted kind of under like the boob area and then flow out. So I thought this would be cute with some gold accessories. So we will try that on. Here is the denim dress with the smocked bodice and flutter sleeve. I love the square neckline on this. And you probably could also wear it off the shoulder like that for a different look. But I think I like it a little bit better on the shoulder. It has this cute ruffle at the bottom. Very comfortable because it's only tight up here, like where your rib cage starts, or at least on me, and then it flares out. I think I would have some room to grow in this. Not too much, but it is a good length that I could wear it to work. It's very comfortable, lightweight. I would probably just wash it the first time before I wear it because the dye of the fabric for me is a little strong. I have it paired with those same slides. I'm gonna try everything on just with these slides because I have them handy, and I feel like they're neutral if they could go with anything. All in all, this is a winner. Okay, next we have our metallic detail slide sandal. It's funny that the heels came in a box and then everything else just came in a bag like this. But it's all looks like in good condition right now, so that's good. I've never ordered from them online before, so I'm happy that so far we're good. These smell as well. It's like that initial, I guess, from the packaging, and they were also on my porch in the sun, so maybe that made it stronger. Okay, so these feel, they have like the plastic feet inside, so I'm gonna take that out. I love the gold. These would actually look really cute with that blue denim dress as a pop. A little bit of like a gladiator style, so we have some string detail here. That's like a band, but then it's separate pieces. The front goes down to the toe, and it's just an elastic back. Pretty cushion size. This is also that same brand. That must be the brand of their shoes, or everything I ordered so far for shoes. Rouge Helium is actually the brand. Somewhat of a square toe, but not too badly. And I just love a little sandal like this for the summer. I don't know how well these are gonna last because already the metallic looks like it's rubbing off a little bit here. So we'll see, but like I said, I'm kind of hard on my summer shoes, so just something to knock around in. And these metallic details, $12.99, I got them for $10. So I think the deal that they had going on was the sandals were normally $12.99, and then if you got two, they became $10 each. So, I mean, for $10, you can't really beat that, especially with the price of things lately. To wear that, even just for this one summer, if they last, I'm fine with that. Okay, so we have two more items. I've been alternating shoes and the clothes, so we will continue with that. Lastly, I have here, it's a cold shoulder smocked blouse. I got it in the color mustard. Online, something about this color just popped to me. I don't have anything this shade, and I thought it was so cheery. So we have that same smocked, that's what the same as that dress. I couldn't think of what this was called, where it's like tight and stretchy to the bodice here, but then flows out. This is off the shoulder. I think you could probably pull it up too, similarly to the dress. It has a nice length sleeve on it with two little button details here. Didn't seem too tight. I don't like when things are really tight on my upper arm area. And I thought with the flow of this and the length that this would be good for my growing belly. I love this color with some dark denim. This may be a little long for shorts, but you could probably even do it with like biker shorts. And there is, oh, I didn't even see. They have little ties for the sleeve. So this part sits on your shoulder, and then this is the off the shoulder part. Similarly to the top I have on today, this portion though on this top are bows, which is a cute detail. This is by the brand Ike and Me, and I got it in a size medium, so we'll see how that fits. But the top portion that would be fitted is stretchy, so hopefully that works. We have this top here. It was the mustard colored smocked bodice off the shoulder with this little bow detail. Pretty comfortable, don't mind the black bra I have underneath. I would wear this with a nude bra, and definitely room to grow here if that's what you're needing. It's really only fitted over the boob area. I have it paired just with a pair of biker shorts, but I probably would wear this with some sort of denim. It is long, it goes down to kind of like your crotch area, mid-butt, and I think it's a cherry top. Needs to be steamed a little bit, but has this pleating here, buttons down the front, and it's something different. I don't have anything like this. I love how long the sleeve comes. To me, it comes down to my elbow, and it's not tight, but there are those buttons there that I guess if you had to, you could loosen it. But all in all, it's a little sheer. So if that was something you were nervous about, maybe wear something underneath, but I don't think it's necessary. If you wore a nude bra, this would be fine. And just a fun little top. I love this ruffle all along, the little bow, feminine, different, and I love the color. All right, our last item in this little mini haul I have are these tan sandals. The description of these were solid ankle strap sandals in tan. They were normally $14.99 and I got them for $14.99. So these were not on sale. I wonder if this is how they sell them in the stores or if it's for shipping purposes, but they put these plastic feet in there, and I thought it was funny on the other pair, but it helps hold the form of the shoe. So I don't hate it. That's a good job, Rainbow. All right, so I'll show you before I take the little plastic feet out. It has one strap across the toe area, and then it has a buckle attachment and crosses behind the heel. So no heel, it's a flat bottom sandal, but I like this color tan brown for the summer, for wearing it like nighttime when you don't want to wear black. I feel like it's a good neutral. There is a little elastic behind the buckle here, so if you need maybe to extend more than the holes that they give you for the sizing, you can do so. Little cushion where you can see the light brown on the base there, so probably very comfortable. That is what I have for you today for this mini unboxing Rainbow Shop haul. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, anything like that. I'm gonna really, like I said, try and get into making more content, and you know, I do this just as a hobby, but it is something I enjoy, so I want to get back to it, especially now. So I hope that you all are doing great. Have a fun, beautiful day, and I will see you next time.